Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. So, in this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of EURJPY, Euro Japanese Yen, for 26 March 2021. So, this analysis is for 26 March only, and I bring videos on daily basis so that you get to stay ahead of the market. Therefore, please subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's jump to the chart then. Okay, let me take out the pencil. Okay, so we can see that market is trading at right now 128.50. Okay, this is the current market price now, and as we all know, market was in beautiful uptrend. It was like a fairy tale taking support at the 50 moving average, but this week the whole scenario has changed. Market broke the beautiful support of the 50 moving average. Okay, and market opened here. After that, okay, market went up, but this time market faced resistance from the 50 moving average. Okay, so earlier, which was the support, now became the resistance. Okay, and ultimately market came down. But one thing that we need to focus here is that right now market is standing at this support. Okay, there is a support at 128.30 level. Generally, I do not spend time over charts before making a video. Okay, very honest. Uh, I simply click on the chart. Okay, just write down the support and resistance points and just click on the record button. But before making this video, I had to spend around 2 to 3 minutes just for analyzing the chart. Okay. My honest opinion, because I was not sure what to say. Okay, then I found few points that I would like to share. Okay. Generally, in a market like this, whenever we see that market is standing at the support, then we consider that yes, this is a very good point to buy. It's not it, because the market bounced from here, and right now market may bounce from here. Okay, because and right now market is just at the support. But we need to consider few points, or we cannot overlook few points. The first point that I would like to mention here is that we cannot avoid this big fall. Just look at the pressure. Just look at the selling pressure. Just look at the dominance of the sellers here. Okay. So if we compare, okay, if we compare, let me change the color to uh, blue. Okay. If we compare this selling pressure in comparison to this, does it look convincing? Okay, for me it's not convincing enough. Secondly, this 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 market is not making higher highs. Okay, market is making higher lows, so which is not a good sign. And market is trading below the 50 moving average. Okay, so the only plus point, okay, only plus point to take uh, to go for a buy order here is that market is standing at the support zone. Okay, whereas we have got three minus points to buy here. First point is lower highs. Second point is selling pressure. Sorry about the handwriting. I'm writing selling pressure. Okay, and the third is below. Oh, sorry. Anyways, below. I cannot write all over my my face. Below 50 MA. Okay, so only one point is supporting to buy here, and 3 points are telling that we cannot buy here. Okay, therefore, what do you think then? For me, that those 3 points are convincing enough to wait and watch. Okay. For a market like this, the best position to execute the trade will be to short the market. Okay, to short the market, okay, first we can short the market at 50 moving average. This uh, this point has made it very clear that 50 moving average is a valid resistance now. Okay, so if market goes up, then we need to observe how the price reacts at the 50 moving average. If we see that price is struggling near the 50 moving average, 50 moving average is a still valid resistance for the market, then we need to short the market at the 50 moving average. We need to short the market here. Secondly, in case market crosses this support level, by looking at this selling pressure, okay, by looking at this selling pressure, if market breaks the support also, then it is nothing to be surprised of. Okay, that's why just wait and watch the price. As I've mentioned, apart from standing on the support, we have got 3 points which suggest that there is a possibility that market we may break this support also. Therefore, just observe the price. Do not consider this as a uh, break-even point or a breakout point, because considering this fall from 130.50 level, this small baby is nothing. In case market goes up and comes down, and if it takes support for a third time, this is the first time and this is the second time. If market comes down and takes support for a third time, then it will be very much convincing enough for us to call this as a valid support for the market. At that point of time, we can go ahead and place the buy order. Okay, if market takes support for the third time. But as of now, considering this fall, okay, this fall, it is very tough to call this particular position as the great position to for a buy order. Therefore, if market goes up, try to look for shorting the market opportunity at the 50 moving average. Or in case market crosses this level of 128.30 and you see that the sellers are back again, okay, because market may break the line also, because market is making lower highs. There is a possibility the market may break the line. If market breaks the line, then wait for 2 to 3 hours and just observe the price. Just try to understand the market psychology. If you see that yes, market is being dominated by the sellers, then you can short the market below 128.3 below this line. So this is it. Hopefully you have understood. And if you've liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. Have a great day. All the best. And do not forget to subscribe. Bye bye. Take care. See you tomorrow.